Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody had a really good week this past week. Angie and I did. We got quite a bit done. I finally got the place mowed yesterday, and that was big. We got some of the goals that we wanted to do. We got those accomplished, and y'all will be seeing that this week. I videoed those and had so much footage. You seen this past week, we posted Tuesday, Thursday. We had a lot of footage, and it was really too much, so we ended up, we're gonna divide up and show some of it this coming week of some other stuff that we did with the chickens. A lot going on with the chickens, y'all. And I'm David. There's the guineas. And there's Maggie. Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel. What I'm gonna do today is give y'all kind of an update and take you along with me on some of the chores and kind of give you an update of what's going on. All right, y'all, first thing is, let me show you this one. Those are gone. You'll see that this week of us getting their cage ready and also moving those. We're going to show that. That'll probably come out on Thursday's video, I think. As always, I try to do, first thing I do is oh yeah, there's the cats. They taking it easy, ain't it? Fuzzy and Lambo. They are taking it easy. Old Lambo. All right, we got her adjusted there. As I was saying, when I named old Lambo, Angie said I couldn't name her no car names. Angie was kind of looking for Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Harley, a motorcycle name, or Hemi, or something like that. She didn't know about Lambos, and she didn't know Lambo meant Lamborghini. So that's how old Lambo got her name. And she's a good cat. She's a hunter. She's out there hunting right now. So the quail are doing good. Go ahead and show y'all this, the electric mouse trap. Electric mouse trap is not doing its thing. Matter of fact, I think I will take that thing back. Yep. Yep. Believe I will take that thing back. Not good. I ain't impressed with the electric mouse trap. These three quail are doing good. We guard these three quail, excuse me, getting tongue tied there. We guard them with the mouse traps underneath. We have been successful. We have caught a few, and which is a good thing. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get these folks in here fed and taken care of. Guinea, you can get out of here. You don't have to, you're not going to go through that wire. You're not going to go through that wire. No, you're not. You're goofy. You're goofy. You're goofy. You're goofy. You're going to go through that wire. Alright. Boy, it is nice here, y'all. It's a nice breeze. Maggie, stop that. Yeah, it's a nice breeze out here. For August day, it's a nice one. We will definitely take it. We will definitely take it. It is extremely nice. Alright, that gets these sparrows, gets them wrapped up. close. I mean, it's really nice out here. Put something against that door. Blowing everywhere. Hear that door slamming, y'all? That's well, put that wrong cage, that would be good. I've got an egg that I need to get. Hey, stop. Guinea, stop. Alright, y'all. I guess these two. These are looking good. Let me show you these. That's babies that were raised. They are really looking good. I gotta get their food out and feed them. They're looking real good. I'm gonna feed this guinea that's in here. I don't like feeding them till 9. They've got them where they're at least 8 or 9 of them are really good about getting up at night. Maggie, leave it alone. Okay, y'all. So that wraps all this up. And we'll have tomorrow add some water to theirs. But that gets all this wrapped up here. And you should be finishing up down at the house. And hey, leave the guinea alone. All right, let's go down to the brooder house. That's something else we got accomplished this week. Was the brooder house. We got that situation taken care of, and it's a whole lot more pleasant now to work with. And y'all see all that moving on as we did. The only thing we've got in here now is the bob whites and the pharaohs. And I do have one white coturnis in here too. Next big thing will be cleaning time. We're gonna have to start cleaning. And looks like everybody's all right. Tell you what, y'all, I still think the majority of these are females. I just don't see a male coming out. That's not good. I'd like to have at least, it'd been nice out of that bunch to have at least, Maggie, stop. That's the only white one. Maggie, stop. This is the only white one I've got. Maggie about to take care of that for me. Maggie, stop. I don't know where they learned that jumping out business. Those are usually, those coturnics are usually the tame ones. They usually don't have to worry about them jumping out. They're usually pretty tame and docile. Wow, doing all right. Let's get in there and eat. They'd probably go ahead and move it up there to the Angie calling me. Alright. I'm in the brooder house doing the quail.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm down here
Yeah, go ahead and get started. That'll be good. I'll go up there and turn the water on. More. Huh? That's fine. I need to go to Lowe's. So I find it at Lowe's. Huh? Yeah, they carry. Okay. Yeah, they probably. Alright, sounds good. Alright, love you. Bye. Bye. Alright, y'all, let me show you real quick while they're eating. They're not as wild when they're... Alright, there they are. Like I say, they don't see no really white. Now there is some of them like this and it's in the front. That does look like that one's going to have a white head on it, which would be a male. And then this one over here is definitely a female. So there may be some males in there. Like I said, I hope there is. I hope I got more females than I do males. Here is the Coturnix, which is, we call these the Pharaohs. And there's one white Coturnix in there, and that one will lay, if it's a female, will lay blue eggs. So, and I tell you what, y'all, I just tell you, here in the bird world, gender matters. You ain't gonna get no male quail giving you eggs. Just point. All right, back to the update of what's all going on the Vista. Alright. These guineas are sitting out here in this I mean, terrible heat. Angie and I thought about getting them an umbrella and putting over them. I may tell you guys, it's hot out here. I seen them panting yesterday, and I don't think I've ever seen a guinea pant. They typically don't mind heat. That's your male and your female. And Angie knows something yesterday. She was out here trying to work. She was out here trying to do a little bit of work out here, getting ready for fall planting. And these guineas made a little racket, and next thing she knows, she had the whole crew out here with her. So, I say guineas are an interesting bird. They're probably the most interesting bird that we have on the home place. They're very interesting birds. Never know what a guinea will do. All right, y'all. The turkeys, I'm gonna just show you real quick. We moved them babies here. I won't show a lot of that because I'll show the video of us moving those. That'll probably be on Thursday's video. We did show the video moving these, and they are doing well. And we're tickled with that progress. Kane, we're letting him free range. Kane is being Kane. And one of his old hens there eating all the food. And these are getting long. I put this Americana in here, and he seems to be getting along with Billy. Now these, we will eventually free range them when Billy and them kind of figure out, hey, this is our home coop. Y'all saw this week we did the videos, and again, y'all, we appreciate everybody watching the videos. I also want to say a big old thank you to Wild Huckleberry for giving us a shout out. We noticed the views picked up, and we appreciate all you folks looking, didn't we, Angie? And he did. That was a really great, nice job. We appreciate that. Y'all get a chance, check his channel out. Huh? He's still.
Is he? You already checked it?
Yeah, he ain't gonna make it. But yeah, we're about to lose old Graybeard. He is about to. We're about to lose him. We hate that. He's mean. I mean, he is a mean one, but don't hate to lose any of them. Now, here's the geese. Angie, she did some maintenance on their pen, and it really, really looks good. Yep. She did a little bit of maintenance on their pen, and it does look sharp. A whole lot better it did, and like I say, it's still a mystery for what happened to their eggs. I guess it was a snake may have got in there and got them. But hey, they're looking pretty good. And old mama hen turkey up here, she is still sitting. She thinks she's hid. She thinks she's hid, but she's not. She's sitting there. And then I got one more down here in the. I hadn't exactly found her. She's somewhere. I watched her the other day, and she went down in this tall grass, and she's sitting somewhere down in this grass. We got a bush hog this mess. This is which we usually bush hog this twice a year is what we do. I tell you what, anybody that's got a homestead will tell you, you just kind of have to prioritize stuff. There's stuff that's that you have to get done. When it comes to animals, birds, you got things that you just have to get done that will not wait. You know what? She may have went on down into these woods. Look at that. Look at that ant deal. Yeah, I think I see a trail down through here. I don't really want to get snake bit in all these weeds. Yeah, I wonder if she's down in the woods down here. Yeah. Don't see her. Guess I'll have to follow her next time she's out. She's about to the point she ain't coming out a whole lot. She came out the other day. That's the first time that I noticed her out. The one I just showed you, I'm probably gonna have to pull her off her eggs. I just don't think that's gonna happen. She's been on them eggs for a pretty good while, and it's just, I guess Angie and I could count them and see. I don't see her down in here. She's going somewhere and sitting on some eggs. Hopefully she's all right. Just got a spider nest in my face. But we'll walk back up through here. Hey y'all, that kind of wraps it up on the Vista Acres Homestead. Again, we appreciate each and every one of you watching and viewing the videos. Can't thank you enough for taking the time to do that. And hope everybody has a really good week. And again, thank you for watching.